Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a histogram in Google Sheets, a super useful skill whether you're working on a school project, analyzing some business data, or just curious about the patterns in your numbers. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create a clean, professional-looking histogram that makes your data stand out and tells the story hidden in those numbers. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to get into Google Sheets. If you're already logged into your Gmail account, you're on the right track. Look up in the top right corner of your screen. There's a little icon made up of 9 dots. Think of it like a grid or a mini waffle. Click on those dots and a menu will pop up with a bunch of Google apps. Go ahead and select Google Sheets from that list. If you don't see it right away, you might have to scroll or click more to find it, but don't worry, it's in there. Once you've got Google Sheets open, you'll either create a new spreadsheet or open the one where your data is stored. Now, here's an important part. You need to make sure your data is in the sheet. If you already have your numbers in another file, say Excel or CSV, you can drag your data right into Google Sheets or copy and paste it in. Make sure your numbers are in one column or row. Histograms work best when the data is organized this way, one value per cell. If you're pulling numbers from somewhere else, take a moment to check that everything pasted over cleanly. Sometimes the formatting can go a little weird, but a quick glance should keep you on track. Once your data is good to go, look up at the top of your screen and find the Insert tab. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear with a bunch of options. You're looking for the one that just says Chart. Select that option and Google Sheets will automatically try to guess what kind of chart you want, but don't worry if it doesn't pick the right one straight away. We'll fix that in a second. A chart will pop onto your sheet, and here's the neat part. On the right side, you'll see the Chart Editor panel. It might look a little intimidating if you've never used it before, but it's actually pretty intuitive. By default, Google Sheets might insert a bar chart or maybe a line chart depending on your data, but for a histogram, you'll want to change the chart type. In the Chart Editor, look for the Setup section, then find the drop-down menu labeled Chart Type. Click that, scroll down the list, and select Histogram Chart. You'll see your data instantly transformed into a histogram, with your values grouped into bins so you can see how the numbers are distributed. Take a moment to look at your new histogram. You might want to adjust the bin size or tweak a few settings to make everything clearer. Google Sheets lets you play around with these details in the Chart Editor's Customize tab. Don't worry if yours looks a bit different from mine. Depending on your data set, histograms can take lots of different shapes. The important thing is that you can see where your frequencies cluster and how your values are spread out. And that's it, you've just made a histogram in Google Sheets. With just a few clicks, you've turned raw numbers into a visual story that's so much easier to interpret. If this tutorial helped you out, or if you have any questions or want to share how your histogram turned out, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like the video and make sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.